Hey, it's owlet, and thank you for the question. So, in my last video, or in a few videos, I'm starting to work on a jacket, one of the jackets from Demon Slayer. And I'm making multiple pieces, and then sewing them up to make the cardigan. So for this is all half double crochets, and I'll show you how to do it. Materials that you need is AG6 or the 4.25 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, and yarn. So you're going to take your yarn, and for a slip knot, you're gonna wrap the yarn twice, hold the remaining tail, take the working yarn, pull over through once, and then first is the second, and then you take the first loop and pull all the way through that, and now you made a slip knot. All the way again, wrap around twice, pull over the first loop and over the second loop again, and pull tight. Sorry if this is going to be a long video, but hopefully this explains everything. Now you're going to take your hook. For me, I like to hold it as if I'm writing a pencil, or you could do like an ice cream scoop. That's just my preference. It's just a pencil is a lot easier to work with. You're going to take your yarn, put it on hook, pull it tight to this, as well as about tension. For me, I like to wrap hook that, or just hold a certain distance and just like that, all in your work yarn, and then still pull through just like that. I see some people wrap around their pinky and do it while still keeping their tension. I'm sorry if this is a 10-minute video. This is my first time doing a tutorial, but what I'm gonna do now is gonna chain many chains you want to do. So for me, I'm going to chain 16. So you're going to do yarn over the hook, and first one's always the hardest. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, and I'm going to do that 14 more times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you reach a certain length you want, you're going to take, then you're going to do is half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is yarn over, go through the 2 loops. So be something like that, if you can see. Yarn over, pull through. So now you have 3 loops on the hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. I'll do it again. But this time in the next stitch, yarn over, go through both of the loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. And you're going to do that all the way down to back at the beginning. Okay, once you get back to the beginning, I just have this one last stitch. Which is there we go. And pull through. Come on. Sometimes it is a little difficult. what we're going to do now is going to chain 2, so that'll be the height, and half double crochets is taller than a single crochet out of the height from slip stitch to treble crochet. And then you're going to turn your work, yarn over, and now, since if you can see there's V's that we create, you're going to go through both of the stitches in the third chain from the hook, just like that. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over it, and pull through. And you're going to do that all the way across. I hope this helps you. And remember, keep tension, because tension does matter in crochet. If it's too tight or too loose, you'll have gaps, or it'll be hard to get your crochet through the stitches. And you're going to repeat that till the desired length you want. So I'll see y'all when we get to row 10, and I'll show you how to fasten it off. Okay, so once you get to your last row, which is 10 for me, let me just finish off these last 2 stitches. And last one, going through both loops, pull through, and okay, so what you're going to do to fasten off is you're going to chain 1, pull up a loop to a certain length you want, and snip. And that's it. That's how you do a half double crochet. Hopefully that helps. If not, leave it in the comments, or if you want to see any other stitches or techniques you want me to do. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Bye!